As healthcare professionals, we're always working to deliver safe, effective care, but we all know that sometimes things don't go as planned. When that happens, how we communicate with patients really matters. This is when open disclosure comes in. Open disclosure is a principles-based approach to communicating openly and honestly with patients and their support people when things go wrong in healthcare. These conversations take care and thoughtful consideration. When we're well prepared, we can approach these conversations with empathy and clarity, helping to create a safer, more supportive experience for everyone involved. The Australian Open Disclosure Framework gives us the tools, structure and principles to support us in having these conversations. Since the framework was first released more than 10 years ago, open disclosure has become much more embedded in everyday care. Building on that progress, the framework has been updated to reflect how practice has evolved with a greater focus on person-centred principles. The framework outlines the core principles of person-centred open disclosure: respectful and responsive communication, a compassionate acknowledgement and apology, including the explicit use of the words "I am sorry" or "we are sorry", restoring and rebuilding trust, and fostering cultural safety for Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples. All of these principles need to centre around the individual, their needs, their values, and their preferences. To support the framework, a short fact sheet has been developed to help healthcare professionals know when and how to conduct open disclosure. It's a really practical resource for us to easily access and apply key components of open disclosure. Together, the framework and fact sheet help us to navigate challenging conversations, provide consistency in our communication, and give greater confidence that we're approaching open disclosure in a thoughtful and effective way. Outside of the conversation itself, the framework also helps us to identify opportunities for system improvement and encourages a culture of safety, accountability, and learning. This not only benefits patients, but also supports healthcare professionals and strengthens the healthcare system as a whole. Whether you're new to open disclosure or you're already experienced in the area, take the time to read the Open Disclosure Framework and the fact sheet. They're practical resources designed to support you and your patients when it matters most.